Dear students, in the previous class, we are discussing the chapter, 8th standard chapter, Exponents and Powers. So, in that Exponent and Powers chapter is a chapter which is used for the expressing the larger numbers, and also for the expression of the very smaller numbers. So, expressing the larger numbers and to express very smaller numbers. And also we have seen the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Can you recall or can you remember the laws of exponents? Can you tell me, anybody? Yes? First one. So first law is a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So second law is a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. So, and the third law is a to the power of m, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So fourth law is a to the power of m. The fourth law is a to the power of m into b to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to a into b whole to the power of m. So here, where a and b are the non-negative integers, and b are the, so they are the integers. So and fifth one is a to the power of m. Fifth one is a to the power of m by a to the power of m, so is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. And lastly, sixth one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So these are the formulas or laws of exponents we have seen in the previous class. So first one is a to the power of m. So remember this, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Second one is a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. And third one is a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. And fourth one is a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to a into b to the power of m. And fifth one is a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. Lastly, sixth one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So here a and b are the non-negative integers. And also, students, we have seen some problems by using these laws. Now we will continue with that problems. So that in the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. So we have simplified some of the problems. So we will continue with that exercise. So in that, the next problem is find the value of m. Find the value of m for which equal to 5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of 5. Now students, we will see, simplify this problem. Now, observe this problem. So write the numerator as it is 5 to the power of m divided by, so this is a negative exponent. So this can be altered by using these laws. So already you have seen this. So a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n, or so 1 by a to the power of minus n. This can be converted as positive. So when we write like this. So now therefore this can be written as, 1 by. So how can we write that? So that can be written as 1 by 5 cube. So that can be written as 1 by 5 cube. Okay. So can you recall? Can you recall that problem? So that formula. Yes. So that can be written as 1 by 5 cube. 1 by 5 cube equals 5 to the power of 5. Now write the numerator as it is 5 to the power of m. So we know that the division of fractions. So in that division of fractions, so this division symbol will be changed into multiplicative symbol, and the numerator is get converted as the numerator of the fraction and the denominator of the fraction will be get converted. That means this can be written as 5 by 1, or it can be written as 5 as it is. So observe here, I have written 5 to the power of m, numerator as it is. So but the denominator, this should be converted to the positive exponent by using this property, a to the power of minus n equals 1 by a to the power of n. So 5 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 5 cube equals 5 to the power of 5. Now write the numerator as it is. So by applying the division of fractions, so we will put the numerator as it is, and so when the division applies, this division symbol is converted to multiplicative symbol, and the second fraction is interchanges its denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So now this will become 5 by 1, or simply we can write 5 2. So equals 5 to the power of 5. So now observe. So by using this law, first law, so this can be written as 5 to the power of m plus 3. 5 to the power of m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5 by using the first law. So this can be written as 5 to the power of m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 1. So if you observe the exponent of the LHS and RHS, exponent of the LHS and RHS, so here the base is 5, here also the base is 5, and in between that so there is a equal sign is there. So therefore, so the numerator should be equal. So therefore m plus 3 is equal to 5. plus 3 is equal to 5. So now transfer this 3 to the right side. You will get m equals 5 minus 3. So m equals 2. So the value of m is 2. So now students, we will see the next program. We will see the next program. So that next program is evaluate. Next program is evaluate. Evaluate. So in that program, so first program is that 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So observe the problem. 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So now we shall simplify. So solution for this is, first we have to convert this. We have to convert that to the positive. So it is, this can be written as 3 by 1. So then it will be get converted to the positive. So this can be written as, if you reciprocal or reverse the numerator to the denominator, denominator to the numerator. So it will be 3 by 1 whole to the power of 1 minus. So this can be written as 4 by 1 whole to the power of 1 to the power of minus 1. So now, so if the power is 1, value does not changes. So 1 is 3, 3 to the power of 1 minus. So 1 4 is 4, 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of minus 1. So this will be equal to 3 minus 4 whole to the power of minus 1. So if you subtract this, you will get minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. It will be minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So therefore, minus 1 to the power of minus 1 is always minus 1. Now students, we'll move on to the next problem. So observe these two problems. If you got any doubts, so you can clarify. Now students, observe these problems. Now, so this problem is 5 by 8 whole to the power of minus 7. So it is written as 5 by 8 whole to the power of minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole to the power of minus 4. So observe here, this exponent has negative power, so therefore it should be converted to positive. So if you change numerator to denominator, denominator to the numerator. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಶನ ಛೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಛೇದನ ಅಂಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಘಾತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This can be 5 by 8 can be written as 8 by 5 whole to the power of 7. Whole to the power of 7 into similarly. So this 8 by 5 can be written as 5 by 8 whole to the power of 4. So the difference is, so negative exponential is converted to the positive exponent. So negative exponent ಬೇಕಾದಂತದ್ದು positive exponent ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಲಾ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲಾ LHS ಗಳನ್ನ RHS ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು RHS ಅನ್ನ LHS ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊ therefore this can be written as 8 to the power of 7 by 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 4 by 8 to the power of 4. So now write this to the numerator. So that means by using the second law ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 8 to the power of 7 minus if you take this to the numerator it will becomes minus 4 by similarly so here this is the larger power so take 5 to the power of 4 to the denominator 7 minus 4 so which is equal to 8 cube by 5 cube 8 cube by 5 cube so 8 cube means 8 8s are 64 so 8 into 8 into 8 so 8 8s are 64 64 into 8 so this will be 8 4s are 32 3 carry so 8 6 are 48 48 plus 3 51 512 by 5 3s are this can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 so 5 5 are 25 25 5s are 125 so the evaluated form is 512 by 125 so its value is 512 by 125 now students observe this problem so here we have to simplify this now for this we will use which are suitable formulas to simplify this problem so observe here so this 25 can be written as 5 square can we write 25 in the index form so because it is a product of 5 into 5 into 8 e to the power of minus 4 divided by write down 5 to the power of minus 3 as it is into this 10 can be written as so this can be written as 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 because 10 is a factor of 2 and 5 into so 3 to the power of minus 8 right as it is now students so by applying the laws of indices so observe here the base is 5 5 5 now write the numerator as it is 5 square into t to the power of minus 4 by so these two can be written as so here the bases are same 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 5 means so here its power is 1 into 2 write as it is because there is no factor then for R2 so t to the power of right t to the power of minus 8 as it is so now simplify so 5 square into so t to the power of minus 4 by this can be written as 5 to the power of minus 2 into 2 into t to the power of minus 8 now so this 5 should be 5 to the power of minus 2 if you take to the numerator and t to the power of 8 to the numerator so then this will become 5 to the power of 2 plus 2 into t this is the answer, or you can write. So 5 5s are 25. If you multiply 5 4 times, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 5, it will be 625. So this value will become 625 e to the power of 4 by 2. So this is the simplified form of the given problem. So observe clearly, students. Now students, observe this problem. So here also, now we have to convert some numbers to exponential form. So this write as e to the power of minus 5 as it is, and this 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 to the power of minus 5, because so 10 is a factor of 2 and 5 into, so this can be 125, so is expressed in factors of 5, so that can be written as 5 2, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now write 5 to the power of minus 7 as it is into, so this is 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power of 5. So now, so group all the same exponents. 3 to the power of minus 5 right as it is into, so this can be written as 2 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 5 into 5 cube by 5 to the power of minus 7 into, so 2 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of minus 5. Now, so observe, and we have to group the same exponents. So these two can be written as it is in another one step. 3 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into, this can be written as 5 to the power of minus 5 plus 3 by, this can be written as 5 to the power of minus 7 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of minus 5. Now, so group the same exponents. So this can be written as 3 to the power of minus 5. So here this exponent and this exponent. So if it is taken to the numerator, it will be get converted to positive. So 3 to the power of 5. Similarly, in the numerator, 2 to the power of minus 5 into, so if you take 2 to the power of minus 5 to the numerator, so it will be positive 2 to the power of 5 into, so 5 to the power of minus 2 into, so here it is 5 to the power of 7. So all are taken to the numerator. Now, so by applying the first law, so so if you apply the first law, minus 3 to the power of minus 5 plus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 2 plus 7. So it will be equals 3 to the power of minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 5 it cancels. 3 to the power of 0 into 2 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 5. to the power of 5. So e to the power of 0, so that means any base with the power 0, its value will be 1. So 1 into 1 into 5 to the power of 5. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 5. So therefore, the value of 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 125 by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 6 to the power of minus 5 is 5 to the power of 5. Yes, students. So this is about how we are going to use the to write the exponents and powers for the larger numbers. So now we will move on to the next one. So next one is so not only for writing the larger numbers. So these exponents and powers can be used to write the smaller numbers. Smaller numbers. Now we shall see that how to write the smaller numbers. Now students, we have come to the last part of this chapter. So already I have told you how to write the positive exponential, exponents to exponential, negative exponential to the positive exponential. So this exponential is also used for the, so write the larger numbers and the smaller numbers. So observe here, we express the following numbers in the standard form. So we have to express the given numbers in the standard form. So here is 0.000035. So which is a very smaller number. So it is very difficult to read these numbers. So therefore that can be written as, so this can be written as, observe here, so after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are there, therefore this can be written as 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So this can be written as 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So observe this problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are there. So 7 numbers are there. So therefore this can be written as 4.05. 4.05 into 10 to the power of 6. So 10 to the power of 6. It is very easy to write and read. So okay, similarly we express the following numbers in decimal form. So this is 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So that means, so this decimal point is shifted to, so minus 6 zeros. So therefore, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this can be written as 0.00000302. So now, so this can be 3.61492 into 10 to the power of 6. So if you multiply this 10 to the power of 6, so this point will be, after the points there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there and 1 0 to be added. So it will become 3614920. So this is the numbers expressed in the decimal form. Students, this is the only brief information about the writing the smaller numbers and the larger numbers. So if you have got any doubts, so you will clear it in the regular classes. Okay, so this completes your chapter, the exponents and powers.